Good day everyone! Another day, another project. For today's video, gagawa tayo ng collapsible food dispenser. Gamit tayo ng cordless circular saw ng Powerhouse. Cuts like a butter, bro. Next is the scroll saw para sa mga tight cuts. And next, router naman para sa groove. After that, we will assemble the foldable leg using cordless drill by Powerhouse. And then ikakabit na natin yung lock niya sa likod. After that, split na natin into two para maging foldable na siya. Then connect na natin yung stainless hinges para sa magiging dugtungan niya. And after this, pipinturahan na siya.